Hi there, welcome back. In this previous video, we have to complete it. How does the course show in the into the front end? Okay, so we have also covered the features. This is the discount percentage ratio and dynamic course image. Uh, and this tooltip, actually this is the tooltip, and this tooltip is, maybe it's not dynamic, but we need to make it dynamic is perfectly for your uh, ID base. I think it will be the ID, but I will check it later. But here, look at this. Here is this all labels actually. So go to our, this is the course, and here look at that. The Laravel 11 build a complete learning management system LMS, and here you see that this we have input by the course level is beginner, but here is show the course level is all levels. Actually it's not make it dynamic, so better here this is a label to start process into the label, and all of this will be remember, all of this will be the dynamic. Well, so go to VS Code and should take, okay. Here you guys, this is the all levels, okay, and here is a course area first, and just if we remove, and okay, so just put, and this the variable and course level, perfect. And here look at this is the title actually, and just make it, okay, this is the errand, and now see this. This is the course title. Sometimes our course will be big and lots of. Suppose we just here the paste the course. Literally, like I just see this course and course underscore name. Okay, we just check it is this work or not. Okay, just keep refresh. Why? Now you show this is the data is coming and beginner, but here look at this, the course title actually here, uh, this is the course name, okay. So suppose our course name is so big, and this card will be also big, because of that the text will be contain here. So here look at this, this is the all card will be the same level, and I just wants to the same, I just want to the same for this level. So better we make some here. This card is small, but this card maybe it's big, but here, so that's why I make a tricks and okay. And now we just make the bracket first, okay, and illuminate, actually static facade will be the call for the string, okay, string should be the limit. Limit will be the course name and course image, fine, and here it will be the 50, perfect. I hope that it will be the it may be. Yeah, I just check it, and that's the other thing here. This is the image. So this is the course image. So better with the same format. So that's why we just put some width. Width keep how much we put? Use 240 and height 240. Okay, now fine. And here this the static data actually. Okay, there is the instructor name just Protila, but here we need to change. First of all, check it font in dashboard, and this is the course only. Okay, so course here maybe, so course, and the need to make relation. So belongs to relation. Here the course user. Better check the course category with course dot user. So better just is the category. I hope that it's a category, and this category will be the check the course. Actually course dot user is not present. Okay, okay. Now to make the relationship, and this the belongs to, this is a user instructor id dot id. Because of that, because of that, so already into the database you will see that we just mentioned for this instructor id, and which id, actually this id is for this user id. Okay, I hope it's will be clear. And if you go to the this model, and you will see that I just show you. This is our user, and here will be get the ID and also the course. Actually, I just course section, course, here is the course table, and look at that, this is the instructor ID. Okay, so why is the instructor ID? Instructor ID is comes from the course table, and this ID comes from the user table, and to make the relationship and this. Okay, so I hope that you will be understand why this is the category. What is the controller? And yes, this is our controller, and also get the user. So now course area first, you just how does you put, you just put just oh no, course user, and it will be the user name. Actually this id was name. I show you this table is ID was name, so that's why he is a put in, and check it is it work or not. And now here is our database, and look at this. This is the users table, and this is a user table. This is the field will be the name, and this is the instructor. Role will be the instructor. I will sure this role will be the instructor. Okay, photo, this role will be the instructor, and this instructor this is name, so that's why we put the name. So now go, keep refresh. Why it did so much late it, anything wrong? We got the error actually here. Look at this, I just check it where this error will be happen, and it's not double, it will be the one actually. That's manage it. and here just remove it, keep reload. Okay, the error will be gone, and this card will be the fantastic. And look at this, the same, it's a beginner, all data is come. And now this time we need to work actually this in here. Okay, and this tooltip will be the dynamic, and this tooltip comes from must be where will be include, but let's see for the next video actually what I did to we keep manage. Okay, so okay, thank you. Let's see for the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe of this channel, and also put your valuable comment, actually what this series is going on. Yeah, it's if you make any suggestion, so please put into the comments. Thank you.